Fertilization is a vital biological process that involves the union of male and female gametes, sperm and egg, resulting in the formation of a zygote and eventually, an embryo. Here is a detailed narrative of how fertilization occurs in humans, focusing particularly on the role of sperm. The journey begins with ovulation, a phase in the female reproductive cycle when the ovaries release an egg. This process generally occurs around the middle of the menstrual cycle, typically around day 14 in a 28-day cycle. Once released from the ovary, the egg travels to the fallopian tube where it awaits the arrival of sperm. On the other side of the process, ejaculation deposits millions of sperm into the vagina. These sperm embark on a challenging journey through the cervix and into the uterus. Here, they continue onward into the fallopian tubes, where fertilization usually occurs. Sperm face a remarkably hazardous journey to reach the egg. The acidic environment of the vagina, the uterine lining, and the narrow passage of the fallopian tubes all pose formidable barriers. Out of the millions of sperm, only a few dozen usually make it to the vicinity of the egg, and often, only one sperm will succeed in penetrating the egg's protective layers to achieve fertilization. The first sperm cell to reach the outer layer of the egg, known as the zona pellucida, deploys enzymes from its acrosome, a cap-like structure on its head, to break down the barrier. This allows the sperm to fuse with the plasma membrane of the egg, securing entry. Upon fusion, a series of chemical reactions take place that prevent any additional sperm from entering the egg, ensuring that only one sperm fertilizes the egg. Once inside, the genetic material from both the egg and the sperm combine, resulting in a full set of chromosomes. This marks the creation of a zygote, which begins dividing and growing. The fertilized egg then moves down the fallopian tube into the uterus where it implants into the uterine wall, leading to pregnancy. This fascinating orchestration of biological events ensures the continuation of life. While each stage is vital, the combined efforts of sperm and their journey feature prominently in the ability to achieve fertilization, illustrating the intricate synchronicity necessary for reproduction.